This is the letter A. Big A, little a. Lots of words begin with the letter A. Astronaut, apple, angel, ant, ape, airplane, aquarium, arm. What other words begin with the letter A? A is for... That's right, alligator. What is an alligator? Alligators are big reptiles that live in swampy, wet places. They have strong bodies with bumpy skin and lots of sharp teeth to eat fish and other animals. Let's look at some alligators. What do you see? I see green and brown scales, long tails, and sharp teeth. Let's draw an alligator. You need paper, black marker, and something to add color with. Here's some alligator inspiration. You made an alligator. Great job. Remember, alligator is for A, the letter A. Later, Gators. Thank you for joining us.